Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I think that pole is what triggered him the most here. This has to be the closest near hit that I have ever seen.
At any rate, so obsessed. It's very, very unsettling. How this book disclaimer. During the first COVID lockdown in the UK, I was sat around.
Driving in India. I wonder how much you can pay to get a driving license here.
What?
I drive a truck, make way. Whose fault would this be if they hit each other? The perfect place to make a U-turn. Is that guy carrying a portable toilet or a house on the back of his trailer? Jeez. Absolutely incredible.
feel. Car service on the opportunity to progress. In between destinations, a little hibernation. Life under the scope, I gotta stay fresh. They just wanna see you falling. The only reason the camera's out when you walk in. The only...
This driver is seriously going to come to a stop to make his turn. Wow. Comment what you think that cop was doing to miss that driver.
You guys saw that, right? No, I heard a horn. I didn't see what happened. This guy's on the wrong side of the road completely.
A few moments later.
This driver already started off by almost getting into a head-on collision by blindly overtaking at the start here. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.